So for today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a double crochet. So I'm going to create a slip knot first, and then I'm going to chain until I have a chain that is a desirable length. To chain, we're just going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And we're just going to do that until I've got a chain just long enough to show you what I'm doing next. So we're just continuing to yarn over and pull through. Once we've got a chain that we can then work with, we now need to look at our chain. So we're going to ignore this hoop and we're going to ignore the next one, and then we're going to yarn over. We're going to draw our hoop through and yarn over again, and we've got 4 loops on our hook. So I'll show you again. So we're going to go through this hoop that I've just enlarged now. I'm going to yarn over, put our hook through, yarn over again, and then we're going to draw through these first 2 hoops, yarn over and pull through the next 2. Then we're going to yarn over again. We're going to go through our next hoop, yarn over again, and we're going to pull through these 2 hoops, and then we're going to pull through the next 2. Then again we're going to yarn over, we're going to go to our next chain, and we're going to pull through 2 and pull through 2 and yarn over, going to our next hoop, pull through 2, bit fiddly, and pull through 2, and then if you do slip like that, you can just tighten it like so. And we're going to go into our next, and we're going to pull through. Whoa! So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, into the next, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, into the next, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, into the next, yarn over, pull through 2. I apologise, the light's changing on me. The sun has just decided to blare through my window. Then we're going to yarn over, into the next loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Now when we get to the end of our row, what we need to do is chain 1, chain 1, that does not want to stay, chain 1, we're going to yarn over, go into our next hoop from our hook, this one here, and then we should have 4 hoops on our hook, and we repeat the process all over again. Yarn over through the next, pull through 2, pull through 2, and then we'll just continue to follow that pattern into the next hoop, pull through 2, pull through 2, give myself some yarn, into the next, pull through 2, pull through 2, and just keep going until we reach the end. And then at the end of this row we will have 2 rows of double crochet. And again, once you get to the end of this row, what you're going to do is you are going to chain 1, and then you can come back down the row again. And that's how we do a double crochet. Thank you so much for watching and good luck.